Welcome to 8515 West Hedges Way in Sunset Plaza, West Hollywood Hills. The home is a one-story, 2,900 square foot, 3-bed, 3-bath, plus a flex space that can be converted to an office or gym, and let's not forget the 2-car garage. Having a single story on a hill is a big deal because it lives larger, easier living, and you don't need to go up and down the stairs. It's basically future-proof. You don't need to worry about friends, relatives, parents, or even kids going up and down the stairs. One story feels quieter and no overhead steps and cracking. This is one of those pockets that feels elevated and private, but you're still incredibly close to everything. The home is at the base of the hill, which is 3 minutes to Sunset Plaza, so coffee, dinner, and the strip, the energy is metaphorically right under your feet without the chaos outside your door. The home itself is newly renovated, it's mid-century, and the first thing you notice is that they're built around the two things that matter the most up here: natural light and view. Throughout the tour, you'll notice the backdrop is clear sight lines, and honestly, it makes sense because the view is a view, and that never gets old. It speaks for itself. What's also rare is that how new it really feels. The remodel was redone the last few years, and nobody's lived in it since. So it reads as a true fresh reset, even down to the appliances still untouched. The finishes are clean and timeless, with wide plank white oak wood floors, strong kitchen with Viking appliances, and a layout that feels breathable and accessible. You'll notice the natural light throughout. The southern wall is nearly all glass, so the home stays bright all day. And it gives you that seamless indoor-outdoor flow that gives you the real LA lifestyle. In addition to that, there are 2 skylights, one over the kitchen and one over the primary bath. This small detail is crucial on how the space feels. The home is a 3-bedroom plus an additional room that can easily be an office, gym, or flex space depending on your lifestyle. And the primary suite is spacious. It feels like a junior 1-bedroom in New York, which is rare to say in a hillside home. One more thing that's a bigger deal than most people realize is that the home sits on a flat pad. A lot of hillside properties are built into slopes and rely on deep structural supports. Here, it's flat. It's easy, and it just lives better. As you drive in, you'll also notice the area is being continuously upgraded. Newer builds, a major renovation throughout the area. This is usually a good sign for long-term value. Based on the criteria on hand, it checks all our boxes. A home that combines view, privacy, level of finish, the proximity to the strip, walkability, Beverly Hills, and other affluent popular neighborhoods don't show up often. Let us know what you think.